Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I was checking my statistics on my YouTube channel, and I noticed that I've gone over 2.5 million views, thanks to all you viewers out there. And so I thought this would be a good time to start my giveaways for 2018. And let me turn this thing off before I get everybody nauseous. There. So we're going to start with a nice simple giveaway of the WRTH, the World Radio TV Handbook for 2015. And what this is this is a reference book chocked with information about things that are on the air, AM, FM, shortwave, TV. And it's just loaded with stuff. And it even has, in the very beginning, they review a couple of things. If I can find, here it is. This is a review of the Texan PL600, the Com Radio CR1A. There's a bunch of reviews, about a half a dozen reviews in each issue. And I want to give this away. And all you have to do to get in the giveaway, and it's only a giveaway, it's not a contest, you don't have to jump through any hoops or anything. All you have to do is send me an email to TRRS73@gmail.com and tell me the state you live in the United States, because this is restricted to the continental U.S. So just to verify what state you live in, just tell me the state. Don't give me any other information. I'll need that only from the person who wins the giveaway. And that's it. That's oh, and state that you're in the subject. Put WRTH 2015. That'll tell me that it's for the giveaway. And I think I will close out the giveaway on or about Valentine's Day, which is, I think, February 14th or something. I don't know, but around Valentine's Day. Won't be, maybe not exactly, because I tend to forget things, but it'll be around that. It'll be like the day of or the day after. I'll make a list of all the people that entered, use the random number generator on the internet, give me a number, I'll look up that number on the list and the person who's associated with that number, and they are the winner. And then through the course of this year, 2018, is I'll be giving away other things. I got a bunch of little radios I need to give away. What I do is I tend to keep radios that I think I will get more questions on. And it may be that I don't remember how something works, so I need to get the radio out, try it, and then I can answer the question. So I keep those radios. Radios that are still good radios, but they're not very popular, and I don't think I'll get many questions on. Those are what I'm going to give away this year, and I've got a ton of them, and I got to get rid of them. I'm running out of room. My office is 8 by 10. The floor space that's left is about 4 by 4. It's just everything is piled neatly, but piled up around me, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got 10 computers in this room that I know of. Oh, 11 computers in this room. Oh no, I take that back. 12, 13 computers in this room. So they are taking up a lot of space. I need to go through those. The problem, I'm getting off on a tangent here. Let's go back to the giveaway. So that's what you have to do to give away. Send me an email, trrs73@gmail.com. Put in the subject, WRTH2015. Tell me the state you live in, and that's it. That's all you have to do. And on or around Valentine's Day, I'll select a winner. That's it. And then we're going to do a number of other giveaways during the course of this year. And you can enter even if you've won this year, or even if you won before last year, you can still enter. So you don't get disqualified because you've won something already. That's not a problem. Have a great day. Bye-bye.